Welcome, welcome, welcome. Monday morning, 10 a.m., 10 questions. 20th July 2020. Here we go, the first question. First question is, in a flight of 600 km, an aircraft was slowed down due to bad weather. Its average speed for the trip was reduced by 200 kilometers and the time of flight increased by 30 minutes. The duration of the flight is. See, the total distance it has to travel is 600 kilometers, and suppose assume that x kilometer per hour is the speed and 200 kilometer minus x minus 200 kilometer per hour is the another speed, then the time difference is 30 minutes. If you follow this, it leads to the time waste. But if you follow like the 600 kilometers in x hours time and x plus 30 minutes time, the speed difference is the 200 kilometer per hour. Then it is very simple. 600 divided by x, you will get a fastest speed. 600 divided by x plus 30, the slowest speed. The speed difference is 200 kilometer per hour. If we solve this, you will get 1 hour. So in 1 hour, we can reach. Next question. The ratio between the speeds of two trains are in the ratio 7:8. The second train runs 400 km in 4 hours. Then the speed of the first train is very simple. 400 kilometers in 4 hours, that means 400 divided by 4 is 100. 100 km per hour is 8 parts. 7 parts is how much? Very simple. 100 by 8 into 7, answer is 87.5. Right. Next, third question. A man complete a journey of 10 hours, that means the total time is provided 10 hours. He travels first half of the journey, that means this is not the half the time, this is half the distance. Half the distance, half of the journey at a rate of 21 km per hour and the second half of at a rate of 24 km per hour. Find the total journey in kilometers. So that means the total distance have to be calculated. Distance equal to speed into time. Speed here is a relative speed, average speed into time. Average speed is 2 because the two distances are equal. 2 s1 s2 by s1 plus s2 as it is. 2 times 21 into 24 divided by 21 plus 24 into 100. So after cancellation you will get 224. Answer over. Next. A man on tour travels first 160 kilometers in 64 kilometers per hour and the next 160 kilometers in 80 kilometers per hour. The average speed for first 320 kilometer tour is. As you understand, again the distances 160 kilometer and 160 kilometer are two distances are equal. When the distances are equal, the average speed can be calculated 2 s1 s2 by s1 plus s2. Here 2 times 64 into 80 divided by 60 plus 80. So after cancellation it's a 640 by 9. 9 how many times? 71 1 by 9, which is 71.11 kilometers per hour. Answer over. Next question. Fifth question. A car traveling with 5/7 of its usual speed covers 42 kilometers in 1 hour 40 minutes 48 seconds. Find the actual speed of the car. So the speeds are in a ratio 5:7. 5/7th part of a speed is nothing but 5:7. The time ratio is reverse. 1 hour 40 minutes 48 seconds in the sense 1 hour 40 minutes 48 divided by 60, it's a 4/5. So 44 by 5, again 40 into 5, it's 200 plus 4, 204 by 5, it's in minutes. To convert into hours, again divide by 60. So 204 divided by 300 in hours. So 204 divided by 300 is nothing but 504 by 300 in hours. So now hours is known to us. Now S1 T1 equals to S2 T2. You can follow, but you don't know the variable. So the speeds are in a ratio 5s and 7s. So 5s into 504 divided by 300 equal to 42 kilometers because speed into time equals to distance 42. Now s can be known, it's a 5. 7s automatically known, it's 35 kilometers per hour. Answer over. Now the sum of 3 ages of 3 people A, B, C is 90 years. What would be the total of their ages 4 years back? So very simple. So the total sum is 90. 4 years back means each one reduced by 4 years. 4 times 3 is 12. 90 minus 12 is 78. So next question, 7th. Masters Academy Premier Institute organized a sports meet for its students where 1/5 of the girls and 1/8 of the boys participated. What was the total fraction of the students who had actually taken part? So 1/5 of the girls and 1/8 of the boys. That means it is one variable G is one variable, B is another variable. The two variables are present and I have only one equation. How can I solve? I have to solve two variables. I require two equations. Here I am getting only two variables but one equation. So which is not possible, it's dependable. So data inadequate. Next, 8th question. Cost of a pineapple will be 7 rupees each, whereas a watermelon will cost 5 rupees each. Mr. Hafiz spends a total of 38 on these fruits. The number of pineapples that can be purchased. Again, so 38 rupees, so 7 rupees each pineapple, 5 rupees each watermelon. So if I purchase one watermelon, 5 and 33, 10 and 28, if it is 2, if it is 3, 15 and 23, if it is 4, 20 and 18, like that. But both can be purchased 28 and 10. It's a 7 times 4 and 5 times 2. Only answer is pineapples are 4. That's it. So what will be the product of the number of numbers on a telephone? Telephone numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If I multiply all together, but don't forget 0 is also there. If I multiply any number with a 0, I should get only the 0. Next, 10th question. The total of ages of Amar Akbar Anthony is 80 years. What was the total of their ages 3 years ago? 3 years ago, again 3 times 3, it's a 9. 9 reduced, 80 minus 9, it's 71 years. So again, we'll meet on next Monday. Stay tuned. Bye bye.